The world today faces numerous health challenges, from emerging diseases and public health emergencies to inequalities and healthcare accesses. The challenges require healthcare workers who are innovative, remember that word, innovative, ethical, resilient, and dedicated to lifelong learning. Your responsibility extends beyond hospital walls. You are ambassadors of health, educators in your own communities, and advocates for the healthier society.
The healthcare landscape you're entering in is demanding. It will test your knowledge, your endurance, and your humanity. There will be moments of frustration when resources are inadequate, when systems fail, when the weight of responsibility feels heavier than you anticipated. In those moments, I ask you to remember why you started. You chose a profession of service. That choice was not accidental. It was a calling, and callings do not expire when the circumstances become difficult.